This year, Carefree at the Landings initiated a summertime work program for high school and college level students who want to learn boating and the services involved with the boat club business. I'm going to introduce you to one of the new students that joined our business this year, and she decided to take on the task of learning to be a dockhand.
Lauren is a new dockhand with us. She's in a training program as an apprentice dockhand. She started with us about a month ago, a little over a month ago, and going through the process of learning the responsibilities and the work of a dockhand. She's still in the school and working for the summer with us here. Nice job, guys. Got them off and running. Steve. So, Lauren, what's your job here?
My job, a dockhand, I help clean the boats, help launch the boats,
Yeah?
bring them in, dock them.
You drive the boat yourself?
I do sometimes. I put them back in the slips.
That's pretty good. That's a tough part of the docking, putting them back in the slip.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been here doing this?
About 2 months now.
2 months.
Yeah.
Wow, time flies.
Yeah, it does.
All right. Have you learned anything?
I have. I knew nothing about boating before this, and now I can back them up and then dock them and all that stuff.
That's a real plus.
Yeah.
What encouraged you to apply for the job here?
Well, my mom just mentioned it to me, and I had another job as just a cashier, and I wanted to do actually something. So I thought I would give this a chance.
Dynamite. So, learning to do a lot of new things that you wouldn't have done any other place.
Yeah, I would probably never learn to do
Yeah.
this.
How do you like working here? What do you like?
I like it a lot. I like being outside all the time.
Yeah.
Just doing, constantly doing stuff.
Yeah. Meeting the members, is it something that you?
Yeah.
How do you like that idea with people coming down here waiting to get on the boat?
The people are always so fun.
Yeah.
And they're so cool to talk to and learn everything. And they're just so nice here.
Yeah, super. And what do you do when you meet them? I mean, how do you help them?
I help put their stuff in, just say hey and have a small conversation and then talk about all the stuff around here where they can go, and they always find it so interesting too.
Well, super. Where are you learning all this stuff? Who's teaching you?
Randy's teaching me all
Randy.
this stuff.
Okay, Randy. So how's Lauren doing, Randy?
Outstanding.
Is that right?
Take 3 more just like me.
Oh, well, that would help us all, wouldn't it? Yeah.
She's got a desire to learn, and she's not afraid to try things. I mean, the way she can back up a boat in this current and this tide and wind, it's amazing.
Sometimes it's better not to tell them what the risks are and let them do it. Then they learn, right? Yeah.
Thing to do.
There's Larry and Lauren, Larry's son and granddaughter. They're going boating. And another member. And Lauren is acting as a dockhand. She's going to be helping Larry and his family get out on the water. Meanwhile, Randy is preparing the boat for our other members. You got your son and the grandkids on the boat?
Yep, we got 3 grandkids, 1 son. He's our captain.
Oh, I see. Well, you chose the right one.
Grant. He's our temporary captain for the day.
And Lauren is setting up the GPS for them. All set for navigation.
Okay, guys.
And if you want to put that cover over it, you can too.
Oh, it just kind of feels on the top.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you. Everybody ready? Oh, sure. Thank you.
And that's all it took. Just a little push from the foot of an experienced dockhand. That's, that's what it took. Yeah. It's what she knows how to do. Lauren has gone from high school, came here in May of this year. She worked as an apprentice 1 until she learned the ropes, got promoted to apprentice 2, able to meet, as you've seen, she can meet customers and help them get out on the boats. So she's been serving very well as a dockhand and learning through the summer. And now, just a little demonstration of her ability to drive the boat. That's the brand new boat. In fact, we just picked that up a couple of weeks ago. Backing up is hard to do, like breaking up. Yeah, I know. We got a current and wind. See how she can handle that. Call that pretty perfect.
Lauren McGeeney, dockhand, Delagow Creek Marina, advanced through career path program duties from Apprentice Dockhand 1 to Apprentice Dockhand 2 and achieved dockhand status promotion today, December the 2nd, 2018. Congratulations, Lauren.